What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ronnie here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to draw your eyebrows using three equipments: your eye pencil, your eyeliner, and a concealer. So if you want to see how I did this, then definitely keep on watching. So first of all, I'm going to start by brushing my eyebrows upwards so that I can see the direction of the brows and also follow it up. So I have a video on my channel where I carved this eyebrow. So if you like what you're seeing like this, even without a drawing, then you can check out the video on my channel, or you can check my description box. The link will be in the description box. So I'm going to start by outlining my eyebrows. Already the eyebrow is carved, so it has its shape already. So what I'm going to do right now is just to use the eye pencil and then follow the shape of the brow just to outline it properly. So if you don't want to do this step, you can just go ahead and then fill in the eyebrow. Okay, at this point you can just go ahead and just fill in your eyebrows, since you wouldn't want to draw it, because if you've carved your eyebrow to this point, then it means that your eyebrow is definitely good to go. So doing this, outlining the eyebrow, is optional. You can always just go ahead and just fill in the eyebrow. It will still give you what you want. So at this point I'm just trying to fill in the blank spaces that is a bit visible on my eyebrows. So my eyebrow kind of looks full, but it's not really full because it has some scanty spaces in between. So right now I'm just brushing it upwards, and once I brush it upwards like this, it will not make the spaces more visible, so that I can be able to go in and then fill it up. And it will also help the eye pencil to also blend in, also instead of giving that harsh line. So as you can see, even the eye pencil is also a bit blended into the eyebrow, so it's also giving me room to go ahead and then fill up those blank spaces in between. So that's what I'm currently doing. The next thing is to go in with the eyeliner. So guys, this part is very crucial, it's very tricky, and you have to be very careful while doing this. So you can definitely skip this part if you don't want it. And if you have an eyeliner that is brown in color, I don't know if there is something like that, but since I don't have it, so we don't know if there is any eyeliner that is brownish in color. So if you have it, you can make use of it too at this point. But for those people who love darker brows, okay, to make it a little bit deep, this is what I do to make mine a bit deep in color. So I just go in with the eyeliner carefully, and then I just go ahead and try to outline the brows from inside. Okay, as you can see, I didn't try to draw it the way I did with the eye pencil. I'm just trying to outline it, just following what I already did with the eye pencil. So I'm also trying to fill out the eyebrow from the tip upwards, and I'm doing it gently, and I'm pressing on the eyebrow very light. I'm not really going deep, because if you press deep on this, it will give it that very harsh dark color, and that's not what we want. We just want it to have a deep or a darker radiance, okay, from the tip, and it will be going upwards. So as you can see, I didn't feel it towards the front, as in towards the nose bridge. I didn't feel it towards that part. It's just the down part, just to make it a little bit bold. So at this point, I'm trying to conceal the underbrows. So what I'm doing is just to go in with the brush and the concealer, and then I'm just going to follow the eyebrow, the line. Okay, just follow the line of your eyebrow that way, and just place the concealer in that direction. Don't try to go into the brow, so it will not make it will not make it slimmer. And also don't try to stay out. I don't know how to explain that, Shabo. You understand? Don't be scared of concealing the brows, because if you're scared of concealing the brows, you might not end up moving under the brows the way it's supposed to. You end up staying, I don't know, but it will not end up looking nice. Sorry guys for that noise. It might not end up looking really nice. So you have to go in with the brush directly under the brows, okay, and just follow the line of your brows. Then you'll be able to conceal it properly. So currently what I'm doing now, I like doing this to the front of the eyebrow just to make it look more natural, okay, just to make it more natural, and also to take out the harsh lines that were there. So I'll just go up on top of the brows and then just go in and try to conceal the top parts too. So you do the same thing as you did to the under parts by going in with the brush, okay, just following the line of your brows slowly. You must not go fast. You must not be fast the way I did. I'm doing this because I've been doing this over time, but you can just do it slowly, so that way you can be able to master the situation at hand. So you just go ahead and just do this, and before you know it, your eyebrow will come out looking really nice and be pretty. So guys, this is how it's looking so far. I'm going to go ahead and do something towards the other eye, and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. Now I'm done with the eyebrow. This is what it looks like. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about the eyebrows? And also, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And until next time, guys, bye.